Hi guys, welcome to my EMtronics dual air fryer review. This is a 9 litre model and obviously it has two drawers here and here. Using it is very simple. It's very similar to the rest of the brands on the rest of the air fryers on the market. You generally have a plethora of buttons in front of you and you press to correlate with what you want. With this one, you start by pressing the power button. It lights up. It will start this for a few minutes before it turns itself back off to its standby mode. But for example of this, you would pick, say you were cooking 2 meals at once, so you get chips in this one, fish in this one. You could put one, so you want drawer one. I'm going to air fryer. The list of options are on here, as you can see. I would then change the temperature of my chips. I always give them at 200, I go as low as 50, and my time, I always give it to 22 minutes to like my chips crispy. For my fish, however, I know it doesn't need that long of a cooking, and we can cook at a lower temperature. So I would put that down to say 180 and I'd put it down to 15 minutes. And what this air fryer allows you to do is they call it Smart Finish. If you hit Smart Finish button, it will flash to indicate that accept that command. And once you hit start here in the bottom left hand corner, it will fire up. Now it will start this one first due to the timer being 22 minutes. And once this drops down those to the 8 minutes, it drops down to 8 minutes, sorry, it'll then start the second drawer and then run these together. One thing to keep in mind, although it doesn't have a shake the mind or anything like that, so you're willing to stop at some point to shake them out, as any chef would do in any situation. The drawers themselves are quite smallish. There's probably a 6'1" man hand in comparison, but they are very deep, so you can stack things up. And I have seen other things when I was like to stack further layers to give them a bit more separation. Stacking does work. You don't have to worry about it not cooking properly, but it's always good to obviously flip your food around when you're cooking. One thing to mention as well is on some air fryers, tower, you'll see there's a little clip here. This is what indicates to the air fryer that the drawer is closed. Very simple design. Unfortunately, this is the third air fryer I've had from Amazon, this being the best one so far, which is a convoluted system to clip these in. So anyway, guys, definitely worth purchasing an air fryer if you've not got one already, or you're looking for one that's larger in size to be able to cook multiple food segments at once. Definitely worth a shout, and for the price I paid, I really can't fault it.
Which you press, air fry, the different modes, don't light up at all. But I've not found it a problem. I just sort of look a little bit closer. The drawers are not particularly smooth and there's a lot of play in them. But this was £150 cheaper than the AF400 Ninja that I had before, and that melted. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit cheapy looking overall. I like the fact that you can get it in all different sort of colours as well, and it gets really hot on the outside. You definitely need to make sure that you pull this away from any walls, because otherwise you'll get grease staining from the air jets up against the walls. And overall, yeah, I'm quite pleased with it so far.
It's switched on now. I'm sort of guessing the LED's been lighting up. I'm guessing where everything is. It's only been used about 6 times. Yeah. You see it all flickering. Can't see what's going on. This February this was bought. Struggling to get in touch with anybody to replace it.
today, call our friendly UK team on 0800 470 4308 or visit covertoday.co.uk.